Boom, what's up everybody? My name is Kim and today is going to be a really short and sweet video. If you had installed Vim, the text editor, and you're having some troubles finding out how to use it, we're going to take a quick look at that. So if you like this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below. So we're just going to get to it. Here you can see we're inside my Linux box. Just open up your console or your emulator here. I'm going to make a big full screen here. So what you need to do is type in VimTutor, hit enter, and now you have your tutor for Vim. So you can just scroll down here. You can see here it tells you can move around the screen using the HKJL key, up and down. So if you're just going to keep going down here, now you can see lesson 1.2, how you exit Vim. It's going to tell you type in colon, Q, and exclamation mark, or write and quit, and then enter. I'm not going to do that right now. And then we're just going to go through here. How you delete just one character at a time if something's wrong. Here's how you can use I to insert, so you get into insert mode. Text editing with appending, so you can press the A to append. So let's say you're here. We're just going to go here. And you can see there's also some text missing, or here it just says miss. So you press A and then missing here dot. So now you did that. Hit enter, or not enter, escape. And then you come down here. You can see right quit to save, like we talked really quickly about. Here is more on lesson 1 summary. You can go through it, and it's just deleting command, more deletion command, how you operate and motions. So you just go through this and you'll become an expert in Vim. I am not yet, but I keep using this and refreshing and learning new stuff every time I use it. So that is it. And to get out of this, you just hit Q a couple of times. Or not Q, I apologize. Right quit. And then we're out. I'll see you all next time.